Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. Stop.
Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Stop. Stop.
On February 19th, 2026, Des Moines police officers responded to a 911 call from the Broadlawns Crisis Observation Center at 1914 Carpenter Avenue. A patient had stabbed a security guard in the chest and shoulder. The patient, 24-year-old Hunter Munoz, had been brought to the center by a family member that day for mental health treatment and had not been taking his medication. What followed in the parking lot and the surrounding intersection would end in Munoz's death.
911.
We need help at the COC. 1914 Carpenter.
1914.
Patient's attacking people.
A patient's
Shut that
attacking
door.
people.
Shut that door. Get Marshall to shut that door.
Hello? What's going on?
Patient just attacked somebody
Okay. With a weapon or what's going on?
with his hands, I think. I don't know for sure.
Okay. He's like beating people up.
Yes. Oh, God.
Does anybody need medical attention?
Possibly. He's bleeding.
Where's he bleeding from?
What's that?
Okay. Can you give me a description?
Of the person?
Yes. If you don't
No,
have
I
one,
can't.
that's okay.
I don't know. He's a big
Okay.
dude.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. We're getting
Thank
multiple
you.
calls. Just get yourself safe, okay?
Thank you.
As multiple officers responded, additional 911 calls were received providing more details, including that the public safety officer had been stabbed and also providing the description of the person who attacked him.
Des Moines 911. Do you
We
need
need
police?
we need the
Fire or
police.
mental health services? Hey,
We-
understood.
we-
Listen, we're taking lots of calls. What's going on there?
We need the police. Somebody has stabbed the security officer. We need the police as soon as possible.
Okay, so this is at 1914
14
Carpenter,
Carpenter,
right?
yes.
1914.
Yes.
Okay, listen, we're on our way. Okay, I need you to stay on the phone with me, though, and provide me with some information, please.
Attention all cars, special attention West Side cars, taking report of a stabbing at 1914 Carpenter at the COC, 1914 Carpenter at the COC. We have a security officer that was stabbed at this time. All West Side cars, I'll show you on it. Central cars, if you can help out as well. All cars in reference to the stabbing, 1914 Carpenter. Staff is unable to get to him right now, and the security officer that was stabbed is going to be trapped in the room with him. He's bleeding pretty good. We do have medics en route and staging.
Officer Christian Escobar arrived first, finding Munoz in the parking lot, blood on his face, breathing heavily, and with taser probes already in his coat from the security guard's prior attempts to subdue him. Escobar drew his firearm and repeatedly ordered Munoz to get on his knees. Munoz told Escobar directly, "You're going to have to shoot me," and began walking slowly toward him. Escobar backed away and attempted to de-escalate, introducing himself by name and telling Munoz he was not in trouble. Munoz confirmed he had a knife in his back pocket. The encounter moved into the intersection of Carpenter Avenue and MLK Jr. Parkway. When officers Gano and Chase arrived, Chase drew his taser. Munoz again stated, "You're going to have to shoot me," then reached into his back pocket, grabbed the knife, and ran directly at Officer Escobar. Chase deployed his taser simultaneously. Escobar and Gano opened fire. Munoz fell, was handcuffed, and officers immediately began applying wound, seals, and rendering aid until paramedics arrived. Munoz was transported to the hospital, where he died from his injuries. The security guard he had stabbed was also hospitalized and later released.
310, hold traffic. I got the suspect. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! It's all right. Get down on your knees. 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 Get down on your knees, dude. Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. Get down. I don't want to shoot you. Get down on your knees. No, I don't. No, get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. It's all right, man. It's okay. My name's Christian. You're good. You're not in any trouble, all right? Just get down on your knees. Get down on your knees, dude. Get down on your knees. Where's the knife? Where is it? It's in your back pocket? Okay, get down on your knees. Get down on your knees, dude. It's okay. Get down on your knees. I'm 10-2. He's not really complying, saying that we're gonna have to shoot him. Get down on your knees. No. Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees, dude. Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. Stop. Dude, get down on your knees. I'm not gonna shoot you. Get down on your knees. You're gonna get tased. Get down on your knees. No.
Hands up.
No.
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 Put your hands up.
No. Stop. Stop. 10 shots fired.
Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
We're gonna need check on him.
310 welfare.
Let them know we're pulling up.
I'm 10-2. He's not really complying, saying that we're gonna have to shoot him.
Copy,
The road.
346 is pulling up. We're gonna continue to hold.
Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up. No, put your hands up. Stop. Stop. Hold. I got him. I got him.
We're gonna need check on him.
310 welfare.
I'm 10-2. He's not really complying, saying that we're gonna have to shoot him.
Copy, 346 is pulling up.
I got non-lethal. Hey, put your hands up. Put your hands up. No, put your hands up. Stop.
All 3 officers were placed on administrative assignment per department policy and have since been cleared to return to duty. Both the Polk County Attorney's Office and the Iowa Attorney General's Office independently concluded the use of deadly force was legally justified, citing Escobar's sustained de-escalation efforts and the immediate threat posed when Munoz charged with the knife. Polk County Attorney Kimberly Graham noted that Munoz had been brought to the center by a caring family member seeking help for him, and extended condolences to his family, the injured security guard, and the officers involved. The case is a sobering reminder of the intersection between mental health crisis response and law enforcement and the tragic outcomes that can result when the two collide.